All right, in today's video reference, we're going to be looking at finding missing side lengths, but we're going to use it with the most common or very popular type of question, which is the shadow question. So first thing you'll notice is this is not to scale. So we have, here's the shadow. You can see right here, there's a tree casting a shadow of about 100 feet. So Kyle is 6 feet tall, like this, and the height of the tree is unknown, like this. So if you haven't already, grab a highlighter and highlight the height of Kyle, 6 feet, and the height of the tree. Again, it's not to scale. So then the shadow itself makes a 2.5 foot shadow for Kyle, which is right here, 2.5. And then for the tree casts shadow of 100 feet. Now, I hope when it's not such a rainy, cloudy day, I hope to go outside, and I found a tree yesterday at 9 o'clock in the morning that would be perfect to do this with. So I'll show it to you here. This was us on a mass break. You can see this tree right here casts a nice shadow that we could probably measure and figure out the height of this tree. So going back here, we'll do our usual. We'll set up our proportion. So make sure you're copying this down. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I'll start with the height. So let's start with the height, 6 feet for Kyle. And then you could even, with this one, you could even label it like this. Heights, 6 feet for Kyle, X for the tree. Put my arrow like that. And then shadow. We have, can someone tell me what would I put for the shadows? Would I put 100 and then 2.5? So 100 and 2.5, or would I put 2.5 and 100? Yeah, hopefully you said 2.5 for the shadow for Kyle, and then 100. Like that. So now we're going to cross multiply and divide. So can someone tell me what I'm left with after I cross multiply? Yeah, so you're left with 600 equals 2.5x. And then what's the next step? Divide by 2.5. So I want to grab a calculator, or in your Chromebook, tell me what 600 divided by 2.5 is. Guessing. Yeah, 240. 240 feet. So that makes about sense if you think about it. Like this Kyle is almost, his shadow is almost like casts about half of his shadow, but a little bit less. So 240, a little less of half, would be like 100 feet. So it makes sense. It's proportional, and hopefully one day we can go outside and do that. So I'm going to have you try the U-try, which is kind of a weird shadow question because it almost looks like a nested triangle. So if you technically want to unnest it, you could. But again, I'll start the highlighting for you. You want to find the height of this tree. And the height of this gentleman is, or female, whatever, is 5 feet. And then you have a shadow of 24 feet and 8 feet. So good luck.